Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn on or off your notifications in BitGo account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After you have logged in, you will see a profile icon at top right corner of your screen. Simply click on your profile and you will see your name and email address here. Click on it. Now on the account settings tab, you will see email notifications. After that, you will see edit link here. Click on it. Now if you do not want to get notifications about deposit, you need to uncheck this button here. And if you do not want to get notification about withdrawals, you need to uncheck here. After that, you need to click on Save Changes button. So that is how you have turned off your notification. To turn it back on, simply click on Edit button again here. And check these boxes here. You will get the notifications about deposits and withdrawals. After that, now click on Save Changes to save your preferences. So that is how you can turn on or off your notifications in BitGo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.